Welcome back to Square County Homestead. Hey, today we're going to show you how we train our chicks to free range. So these are Rudd Rangers from Hoover's Hatcheries. So these are one week old. We put our chicks in this hoop coop during the day only. We just want them to get a little grass time. We'll put them back in the brooder at night. We just make sure it's not going to rain or see what the weather's doing. Alright, so today is moving day. They're 2 weeks old. And this is what works for us. So we're going to move them to the hoop coop from the brooder permanently. So there again, I always check that weather forecast. And hey, as you can see, I've got some good help. So we'll have their feeder and their water in there with them, but we'll move this coop to new grass every day and just repeat the process. So there's our turkey Jive. He had to come check these new chicks out. Yep, he approved. So this is what we really want to see. We want to see these other chickens in the flock coming around and kind of interacting with the chicks. So we'll still move the coop every day, new grass, and of course you still have to give them feed. But this is really good. This is really what we like to see right here. So at 3 weeks, they're still not quite big enough to go out with the rest of the flock. Like I said, this is just what works best for us. Your setup could be different, you know. But at 3 weeks, they're just not quite big enough. All right, so you can see it's graduation day. So this is the first day that these chicks are out to free range, 4 weeks old. And as you can see, they've hit a big growth spurt from week 3 to week 4. So you'll want to hang around and kind of watch and make sure that there's, you know, the flock's not bullying these other little chicks. There may be some pecking order going on, but we don't want anything to get out of hand. Okay, so we'll still feed these chicks in the evening, late evening, and actually one in the morning. Cause we still want them to put on those pounds, you know. I'll put in a link in the description for our chicken feeder build. And watch that. Watch to the end of this video, and you'll see just how well Allison has this whole flock trained. Now at 5 weeks old, man, look at them. They are part of this crazy flock. It's like all is well.